All right, kids, this assignment is to create a Wordle. So you're going to click up here on this link, and this is a chance for you to share things that you've learned in this unit and create a piece of art. You're going to go ahead and click here to get started. It'll take you to this web page, and this is where you are going to type in all the words that you can think of that go with the instrument families: brass, strings, woodwind, percussion. You can start naming the instruments. You know that there's a conductor. It can play loud and soft. Anything you can think of about music and the symphony orchestra and the families. Type all of your words in, click generate. Now this is a very simple way to do it. If you don't like how that looks, click over here on the regenerate button and make it as you like it. You can also choose the font, the colors, the layout here. Once you have this, I'd like you to take a screenshot. And then once you have your screenshot, you're going to come to Teams and you're going to click reply and put your picture here so everybody can enjoy what you've created. I hope you have fun, and I can't wait to see what you've created with the word art.